Sam Altman and Dario Amodei are fighting the biggest AI war of the century, both racing to unleash the most powerful AI agents on the planet. But here is what neither of them is telling you. Who is actually controlling those agents once they are out in the wild? Welcome back. I find Y Combinator startups that nobody is talking about. And today's pick might be the most important security company of the AI era. It's called Agentic Fabric, a fabric with Q, and it just came out of YC Winter 2026. Right now, every serious company is deploying AI agents. Agents that reads your email, assess your databases, execute workflows, and act on behalf of real human employees. But here is the terrifying truth. The tools we use to manage identity built for humans, not for autonomous AI robots running 24/7. So what is happening inside companies right now? Engineers are wasting months building custom authentication for every single agent from scratch, every single time. Security teams have zero visibility into what these agents are actually doing. API keys and secrets scattered across files, vaults, and databases like a digital minefield. And when something breaks, and trust me, it will break, nobody knows where to even look. These are not edge cases. This is blocking every AI first company on the planet. Agentic Fabric is the identity and permissioning layer built specifically for AI agents. Their own tagline says it best. It's like Okta, but for agents. Every agent gets its own unique identity. Every permission is logged and controlled. Every single action logged. And if something goes wrong, one click, everything revoked. Done. You register your agent, LangChain, Crew AI, AutoGen, OpenAI agents, doesn't matter. You define exactly what it can touch. Gmail read only, allowed. Delete your drive files, absolutely not. Fabric sits in the middle as the control layer. Agent never touch your secrets directly. Fabric handles all credentials, all token exchange, all user delegations silently, securely in real time, and every action immutably logged, permanently auditable. Here is the historical parallel that will blow your mind. Every single computing era forced identity to solve. SaaS era needed SSO, cloud era needed IAM, API era needed OAuth, and now agent era needs Fabric. They are not copying anyone. They are building the missing infrastructure layer of the entire AI stack. And nobody else is doing it at this level. As AI agents become the default operating system of every company, every single one of those agents will need an identity, a permission set, and an audit trail. Fabric becomes critical infrastructure. The same way Okta become non-negotiable for SaaS companies, we are watching a billion-dollar category being born in real time. But here is the thing nobody wants to say out loud. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Microsoft, they are all building agent frameworks right now. And someday, maybe sooner than you think, one of them could wake up and build exactly what Fabric is building. The question is, will Fabric become the industry standard before the giants copy them? Because in tech, history says that window is brutally short. The clock is ticking. I am giving Agentic Fabric 4.2 out of 5. Massive real-world problem, elegant solution, perfect timing. Behind this is Paulina and Matthew, co-founders, MIT graduates, and fresh out of Y Combinator's 2026 batch. Two people who looked at the most chaotic, unsolved problem in AI infrastructure and said, we will build the fix. The kind of founder conviction, that's exactly what YC bets on. This is the company you never heard of, that every AI company desperately need. Link is in bio. Follow for more Y Combinator startups that the world is sleeping on. See you tomorrow.